Whose 370 is that?
God damn. Gotta go. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the vlog, my name is Alex Z. I drive a Nitrous 370Z bolt-ons E85. I post all kinds of content, how-tos, races, or just day-to-days, whatever. So today we're gonna be going to a car meet. It's the last car meet of the year, and it's probably my last upload of the year. So thank you guys if you've been watching the whole entire year. It truly means a lot. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button. Before we go to the car meet, I do have to wash the car. I haven't driven the car in over 2 weeks. It's extremely dirty, and I hate driving a dirty car. I've been using my mom's car because she's out on like vacation or whatever. And so I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car, make sure it's all clean. I did want to detail it, but I just did not have time today. So we're just gonna be doing a normal self car wash, and I use my own sponge and bucket. I don't like to use the brushes they have there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a Walmart to get a new sponge and a new bucket, and then I'll show you guys kind of my technique behind me washing my car and how I like to do it. Here she is. So what I usually do is I grab my own sponge, and then I grab my own soap. I use this one by McGuire's. I got my own bucket. Put the soap in the bucket. I start the timer, and then I do a rinse for about 3 minutes, and put some water in the bucket, and then I'll just let the timer run out, and then I'll go ahead and scrub it down with the sponge, and then I'll put more money in for the timer so I can rinse it off. Another thing I like to use is this red stuff from Chemical Guys. It's called Diablo, I think, wheel cleaner. I put it in this other bottle, so I just go ahead and spray it around and kind of just dust everything out, and then I'll rinse it off and then go over it with the sponge, and usually come out pretty clean. Usually after I'm done washing it and whatever, I go ahead and park to the side and I dry it off. So right now I'm just gonna dry it off, and I should be done washing it. It's been about 45 minutes. I do take a long time, but that's just because I really take my time and make sure everything's really clean. Oh my god.
Hello. Oh my god, it's totally my face. You guys see my pores, I'm sorry. Oh, my backpack.
Pizza.
You're welcome. You literally, like, I didn't see you at all, and then as soon as you turned it on, I was like, oh shit, there he is.
What's going on, guys? So I don't know if you can hear me. Sorry, there's a lot of noise in my car right now. Well, last time I left off, I had just picked up BB and we went to the car meet, but they changed the location of the car meet. So we went to the second location, and the second location was dead. So I didn't even bother to film it. It was super dark and there wasn't much going on, so I just bothered not to vlog it. But the next day there was actually a run set up with Speed Devils, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to that so I can vlog that. I'm gonna try to run the bottle setup tonight. So my current bottle is with my homie, so my other friend is gonna let me borrow one, and hopefully we're able to make it work out, and I'll be able to run the bottle. If I do get the bottle going, I should be getting some good runs in. Hopefully a run with the twin turbo with 370Z. Alright guys, so we're able to get it running. I had a few issues with wiring, and then that's pretty much it. The heater works, everything's ready to go, and we'll see how it turns out. A lot of good cars out. I only have about 7 to 8 runs, so I gotta choose my runs wisely. sure you follow his twin turbo
yeah.
build right here. His Z is pretty sick. We'll go check it out.
I will give $200 to whoever sticks their tongue on Alex's exhaust while it's hot.
Bruh. My God, they're doing a burnout over there.
We don't fucks with that shit.
I did a couple 40 rolls with him in the car on the way, and it hooks. Yeah.
How does it feel?
I asked him to drop me off, but he said no. Just kidding.
No, really. What was your, like? What was the? How did it feel, for real?
Bro, it threw me back in my seat. That shit was crazy.
Yeah.
Bro, I had my phone like this, and he like did a pull I wasn't expecting. And I was like, oh shit! And dropped my phone, fell into my lap.
This one is Fast Intentions on E85. Hey, are you on E tonight?
I'm on with him, Dr.
So this should be good for about 500-600 horsepower. So we're gonna be running it. So hopefully he spins and I win.
A few moments later.
impressions for just 400 horsepower?
Very impressive. Very impressive 400 horsepower. It's hard to catch up if you leave and like I'm still trying to spool up. It's hard to run you down.
Well, yeah, I'll take that.
Yeah.
Fucking sick.
Good shit, bro.
How was that? Fun?
That shit was fun.
What's up, dude? What's up, dog?
Who's 370 is that?
This one right here in person.
Boosted, huh?
Yeah.
That shit is quick. You ran a CTSV, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were right behind you guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
That thing was fast. Top end was nasty.
What kit is it? Is it the
Fast intentions. Fast intentions. It's their stage 1 kit. So the turbo.
Is it the same size as Fresh Kicks?
New. Fresh Kicks is single turbo.
Oh, yours is twin?
Twin, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
It's my arch nemesis now. I need a 100 shot. 100 shots.
What size shot you on right now?
75.
Jesus.
It's on the baby.
Baby.
Yeah, that's the baby shot.
Baby. Pretty quick. How you doing? Baby. What? I'll stop the fucking smog is getting I didn't want to get a P-Series and then later regret it. The D1X is pretty good.
God damn.
Gotta go! Nice, man. No filter? No filter. Screen? That little screen. Yeah. Do you have a screen on it? Yeah, I have a screen. Yeah.
How much power do you make?
I don't know. I have a dyno. I might go tomorrow to dyno, so.
Okay.
How much it is? 8 pounds. 8 pounds and the 8.5. Yeah, but it's fucking.
I call it 9. I
Different.
call it 9 just cause.
8.5, probably like 740, something like that. That's what I bet. I bet you make. What dyno you gonna do? The MC Racing one down in El Cajon. Yeah. Watch it. 750, dude. Calling it. Because I bought a 2200R, and the guy made 740 on 8 pounds. 8
I
pounds.
just have the small PP one. You know?
Yeah, and the big old. Bye bye.
Alrighty guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. I am super tired. I just got home not too long ago. It was pretty crazy to run a twin turbo 370Z and kind of like somewhat keep up. I never thought I would be able to do that on a Nitrous setup, so I'm super proud of that. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. If you guys enjoyed the video, there'll be plenty more runs, so make sure you subscribe. I'm trying really hard to get to 1,000 subscribers so I could finally get monetized. It would mean a lot if you guys left a comment as well and liked the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next vlog.
I wake up, flex, thumb down, now check. No drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down, now check. No drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up.